air permeability test for fabric measures the ease with which air passes through a fabric. It is commonly used to assess the breathability of textiles. Here's how you can conduct the test. The fabric sample is cut into a specified square, usually 100 or 38.8 square centimeters, set up according to the efficient air permeability tester's instructions. You can select air permeability units and air permeability test standards such as ASTM D737, DIN 53887. Place the fabric sample on it, ensuring it covers the entire opening. Start the air permeability tester to initiate the test. The air permeability tester will measure the rate of airflow passing through the fabric under a specified pressure differential. The efficient is smart instrument. It can be connected through Wi-Fi with SmartTex Lab app installed in the smartphones. You can monitor the test status. For accurate results, it is common to conduct multiple tests and average the results. Test results are displayed on the instrument screen and can also be viewed on your smartphones, which allows you to share the results with the quality control department or brand buyers. Higher air permeability values indicate that the fabric allows more air to pass through, suggesting better breathability. Conversely, the opposite is true. For air permeability tester price, please contact us.